How do you install Windows on a new PC?
Hi, I'm Paul. This is Diane. We are the PC Zombies, and with the new PC, there is no Windows on the PC yet. Your drives that you've installed have no data on them yet, and you need to somehow get Windows on those drives. In order to do that, we build a flash drive with the Windows 11 installer on it. The first thing you need to do, Di, is get a working PC. We're going to put it on this laptop here, okay?
Okay.
Next, you're going to download the app that helps you create the flash drive.
The media creation tool.
To do this, go to a web browser and then go to Microsoft.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under Microsoft Store, select Download Center. Scroll down there and select Windows. Scroll down here again and then select Windows 11. Now on this page, find where it says Create Windows 11 Installation Media and select the Download Now button. Open the folder where it ended up downloading, and now you can close the web browser. Next, put a blank flash drive into the working Windows computer.
Make sure it is at least 8 gigabytes or the tool will reject the flash drive.
Now run the Media Creation Tool app that you just downloaded. Go through the wizard and select Windows 11.
I thought we wanted Windows 11 Pro.
You do want Windows 11 Pro, but there isn't a Windows 11 Pro option. Windows 11 option actually is Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. When you later activate Windows 11, it's the key that determines if it's going to work as Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro. And since we have a Windows 11 Pro activation key, that's what we're going to get. Next, select that you want to use a flash drive and then select the flash drive you've inserted. Now all you have to do is wait for it to download Windows Installer on the flash drive, and when it is done, hit Next and Finished.
Now eject the flash drive and use it on your new PC. So we can install this now on your new PC?
All right, Di, now that we got the installation media ready to go, we're ready to start installing Windows, and that's where the real danger begins. Please subscribe and stay tuned to watch. We're going to show you some problems that you really want to know, because otherwise your PC might run slower once you've installed Windows, and it may also lock itself into an account that's a network account, which we're going to show you how to avoid.
I'm curious.
All right. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks. Bye.